Welcome back to the Dollar Tree haul. Today I have some exciting, fun spring/Easter finds. These could work for just spring, playtime outside, or Easter basket, which is what I am using these for. And I found this sticky catch set, and it has like this suction cup little ball, and 2 of these catcher mitts with it for $1. Can't beat that. 3-pack of bubbles. And this is all stuff I'm using to stuff Easter basket. I picked him up another one of these bug catching kits, and you get like tweezers, a container, and a net to catch the bug with. And he had one of these before, loved it. He's caught lightning bugs, ladybugs, crickets. And I grabbed this one too, and it's also a bug catcher kit and has like a little globe a spear that you can pinch the bug up into, and it comes with a net as well. A Sidewalk chalk bucket. This is a really good deal. You get 20 pieces in here. Also grabbed this baseball bat and ball. Got the red one. And a kite. Fun kite. Has a dinosaur on it. And last but not least, but for the Easter basket, I did grab this giant carnival pop. A Russell Stover's peanut butter bunny. And these coloring cups from Dudley's, which is nice to see at the Dollar Tree. It's a name brand. They usually always have these around Easter. And you get 5 coloring cups and 5 coloring tablets. And a little dipper. So that's a pretty good deal for $1. And I just wanted to share with you some fun spring finds. Easter basket stuffers, which I find that I got a lot of neat little things for the Easter basket and for upcoming spring. So let me know some of the fun spring things you might have found at your local Dollar Tree. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned and check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. Also, I have an upcoming beauty kind of Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned for that, new finds. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell.